Welcome to our channel, English with NS. Hi guys, hope you are fine. In this video, we will learn about the brief introduction of present tense, past tense, and future tense. First of all, let's discuss what is tense. In English grammar, tense refers to the time when an action or event occurs. It indicates whether the action is happening in the present, past, or future. There are three main tenses in English: present tense, past tense, and future tense. Verbs play a crucial role in the formation of tenses. Tense is expressed by modifying the form of the verb, whether it is present, past, or future. Now, let's learn the brief overview of present, past, and future tenses. Simple present tense indicates habits, regular events, current situations, general truths, or facts. The verb in simple present tense is its base form, or s, or es with base form. For example, I play football. Here, play is a base form of verb, which is indicating the present tense and habitual action. Sally cooks tasty food. Here, verb is cooks, which is base form of verb along with s, also showing the present and habitual action. Birds fly in flocks. Here, fly is a base form of verb, indicating the regular and habitual action. Next is simple past tense. It is used to indicate a completed action, or, we can say, the actions that have already completed in the past. Verb form used in this tense as base form plus ed means we can say past form of a verb, or irregular verbs. To learn more about irregular verbs, open the link above. Examples of past tense are: Kate danced in a party. Here, danced is a past form of a verb, which shows that her action has been completed now. Michelle took a selfie. Here, took is an irregular verb, showing the past action. Tom caught a bag of money. Here, caught is an irregular verb, which indicates that the action has been already completed. Last is simple future tense. It indicates the actions that will happen in future. The verb in simple future tense starts with will or shall. For example, the dog will bark. Santa shall give a present. She will put a nail polish. Let's see some more examples. Cat eats the cat food. It is simple present tense. Cat ate the cat food. It is simple past tense. Cat will eat the cat food. It is simple future tense. Hannah uses a phone. It is simple present tense. Hannah used a phone. It is simple past tense. Hannah shall use a phone. It is simple future tense. Today, we have learned about the brief overview of simple present tense, simple past tense, and simple future tense. Each of these tenses has several subcategories, which further specify the time frame of the action, which we will discuss one by one in our next lectures. Until then, goodbye. Thanks for watching. If you liked our video, please like, subscribe and also press the bell icon. Plus, don't forget to comment and share.